So if you have a Coleman UT400, people are having problems finding a good trailer hitch setup for this. Mine came with this little sleeve. It was here and it came out to about here. It was just a square tubing like this that was long and had a hole in it. And it came with this pin through it. And that's it. Now this square tubing right here is a weird off size. It's like 1 5/8, something like that. It's really hard finding anything for it. But what I did is I went around looking at what fit this. Supposedly a 1 1/4 will go inside of this, but I bought a 1 1/4 adapter and it will not go inside because the molding of this square tubing is all messed up and the inside's just not nice and square. But what it did do is it slid inside of one of these 2-inch receivers like this. Now this is one that I just had laying around. It's kind of old, but I was able to push this in just a tiny bit by hand. So what I did is I got a hammer and I just tapped it in as far as it needed to go. Then I went to the drill press and I cut me in a 3/4 inch hole all the way through. So that widened this 2-inch receiver just a little bit, but it made a nice perfect hole all the way through. And then I just put me a standard tractor pin in. This is pretty common for a category 1 tractor pin. So that went in nice and tight. This pin comes out nice and easy back and forth, but it's still nice and tight. I got it real nice and close, but not too close, so that way it pins real easy. Then I noticed on this, there's some slack when you put it in. This pin is you know, of course, longer than it needs to be. So I got this washer and I'm gonna make sure that this washer fits. And if it does, then I'm gonna get however many of these I need to actually make it hold in there nice and tight, because it does rattle a little bit too. So let me show you what this is going to look like on the actual hitch. So this is the hitch on back. It's got this little receiver hitch tube here, but again, it's like 1 5/8 or something like that, or 1 3/4, because it does have some play, and I don't like that. But the tube that it came with fit inside of here. I was able to drill this. Now I have a trailer hitch on here that's got a 2-inch ball that's going to pull the little trailer that I have made for this. And the washer does fit here. I like the cotter key on top, because if you do go through some stuff or something hits just right on bottom, it can knock this cotter key out. So I put the head on bottom and the cotter key on top. But I do need to get some more washers too. But anyways, I just saw a lot of people struggling with this, and I'm hoping this gives you some ideas. Probably going to do some more to tighten this up, but for now it's going to work. Hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.